Hello friends, welcome back to Simple Python. We are going to discuss our next topic of NumPy, that is NumPy arrays. So first of all, what is NumPy array? A NumPy array is simply a grid that contains value of a homogeneous type. Here a word comes homogeneous. It means that NumPy array can only include values that are of same kind. That is, if an array contains integer value, it will only include integer values, not character, not string. Or if an array contains character value, that only character values will be added to that particular array. Now we will talk about forms of arrays. So NumPy arrays comes in two forms. First is 1D arrays and the second is multi-dimensional arrays. 1D array have only single row, or you can say single column. Another name of 1D array is vectors. Now we will talk about multi-dimensional arrays. It can have multiple rows and columns. Another name of multi-dimensional array is matrices. Now, NumPy arrays makes things easier for you, but internally these are stored in detailed manner. There are certain terms associated with NumPy arrays that you must know. First one is axis. Axis refers to the dimensions of its array. If you see in the picture, there is one dimensional array and it have only one axis, that is axis 0. It runs along the row. In two-dimensional array, it has second axis, that is axis 2, which runs along the column, and the last in three-dimensional array, there is another axis, that is axis 2. Every new dimension added gets the next axis number. Now we will talk about rank. The rank of an ND array tells about how many axes does it have. In other words, the number of axes in an ND array is called its rank. Now we will talk about shape. The shape of an ND array tells about the number of elements along each axis of it. The shape of an ND array is in the form of tuple, where number of elements on axis 0, axis 1, axis 2, etc. are stored as element of shape tuple. If you want to check the shape of your array, you just type the name and then dot shape and press enter. It will show the shape of your array. Now the data type. Data type or D type. It tells about the type of data stored in the ND array. By default, ND arrays are created with NumPy data type float. But you can always specify the desired data type while created a NumPy array. Now if you want to check the data type of your array, you just type your array name and press .dtype and press enter. It will show the data type of your array. Now we will talk about item size. Item size refers to the size of each element of an ND array in bytes. Since all elements of an ND array are of same data type, item size returns the size of ND's array's D type in bytes. You can check the item size of an array ND array as ND array name dot item size and press enter. For example, my array name is A2, so I will write A2 dot item size and press enter. It will show the item size of my array. Now we will talk about indexing in NumPy arrays. There are two types of indexing, that is forward indexing and backward indexing. Forward indexing goes from left to right and start with 0. But the backward indexing starts from right to left but start from -1, not from 0. Now here are the data types which are supported by NumPy. You can pause the video and read its name, description and the size of it. In the next video, we are going to know how to create NumPy arrays. Till then, take care, support us by hitting the like button as hard as you can. But please don't break your phone. Share our videos and do comment if you have any doubts. And at last, thank you for watching.